Hello, and thank you for attending this Tech Tip by Design R1 software. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to use the proper function in Excel to adjust your column values so that they are cased properly for when you import them into ACT. We all know that we get those databases that we purchase or that we buy or that we have from a customer, that they are always all capitals for whatever reason. That's how they like to do it. And it just helps clean up your data you're putting into ACT to do it this way. So with our values over here in the first column, we're going to go ahead and select the second column. We're going to subsequently do into field or into cell B2 because it matches with where the names start from the first column. Formula is going to be equals proper, and then wrapped in parentheses the cell we're wanting to change. So as you can see, I put A2 and it highlighted it over here. Hit enter and it pulls in the proper case for that one. And now to get the rest of the column here, once you highlight that cell again, there's a little box here in the lower right hand corner. If you put your cursor over it and then double click, it'll fill that formula out for the rest of that column. And if you want to move these over to the first column, we'll go ahead and right click, hit copy. Select the first column values, right click again, and then under the paste options we want to make sure we go to the values so it just pastes the values from column B back into column A. And there you go. We've now got rid of all of our uppercase only names in the first column, and they are now properly cased. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Twitter at DesignR1LLC and like us on Facebook at DesignR1Software. Thank you, and look forward to the next video.